Before we begin, remember to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications of new videos from estate123.
We are going to QvI today, QvI Mall in Melbourne City Centre. So around the area, yes, there's a lot of things to see, but it's closing by 7 every day. And we will take a look what is inside. And when you come out, there's a lot of eateries that's surrounding the area as well. Our guest, to introduce the QvI Mall together. He's Jonah, I'm Joe. A big W here. And in fact, inside there are quite a number of different branding shops, and that's the entrance. We will take a look. It's close up very fast, Got some artists, Japanese artist collections t-shirts, and you got air soap, inside. So we got Paris coming soon, and we're gonna look inside as well. So from the July store, that you can have quite a number of different stores around the area. We're gonna walk up one by one. Perhaps only about 3 to 4 floors in total. But in through here, some of the very nice shoes. I think they pick up more like the collections of the shoes. Walking inside, we do have a urban market, some food stalls around inside. Or some quite Millions Life, and I think this concept is a area, especially in Japan, Tokyo, we found it. Price Pharmacy, price down. You can always get something good, between Priceline Pharmacy and Kermi Pharma. Bread top here as well. Oh, okay. Then you do not need to worry about the taste that you want to get from your hometown. Oh, you still got Papa Rich here, and the sushi. One floor up, basically, you can have a lot of this area that you can enjoy the food, come out to enjoy the wind. Wow, this QvI Mall is a bit lifestyle design. I'm gonna keep walking and see what else up there and show you all again. Atom Lens as well. We're gonna walk inside, and see whether we can go the other side and goes up to the next floor, because a lot of renovation here in QvI Mall as well. Okay, let's go into this land. So got another Asian supermarket, Laguna, here under QvI. There's quite a lot of things to do. Office work that you can buy, a lot of furnitures, While walking back here, and we see how we can move on to give an overview of this QvI Mall. Got Daiso here as well, Daiso Japan, And just now we walk from the other side. And you're gonna go for and looking back downstairs. I think after second and third floor is nothing much. Basically, you see Harvey Norman is here, and that's it. Not much thing around. Or walking inside, across the furniture, then you only find there's a Harvey Norman inside the top floor here. Also have a very huge display of the Harvey Norman other stuff, But I tried check already. The price is almost not that bad in here. Harvey Norman is quite competitive, compared to Malaysia. Well, I guess, but only the electronics, especially TV, still a bit higher. It's like to come to this big W, whereas the chocolates and the candies are very good in pricing. Wow, so nice. So let's see all the ways that you can have all these candies and chocolates, all time selling. We have a Woolworth here downstairs as well with a big W, and then you can have a lot of discounted chocolates, over here. But I Woolworth is quite standard. Big W got a lot. Getting out from Marius, another designer food food base. So this is how it goes out. That's end up our QvI Mall exploration. But around the corner there's a lot of eatery that you can eat. That's nice. Well, that's end up our explanation, and thanks for watching.